So reaching this milestone of having our own clinic, it just makes me feel so warm and excited inside. And it's been a real journey for us, all the way from many years ago when I was mobile, so going to different places and having a room ad hoc, then a permanent room, moving location. And now we've got our own space where we really wanted to place our vision and put that in practice. Something we wanted to do was create a nurturing, warm and welcoming clinic for our patients.
Time Clinic, as far as I'm concerned, is a very trustworthy place to come. I wouldn't just walk into any beauty place and let anybody do any injections or anything. I think once you see Dr. Bawa, you get a feeling of total confidence. Everybody that works here, I'm not just saying this, is warm, is friendly, they put you at ease, so there's no need to be nervous. This is the place to come. The actual place itself, Time Clinic, which is in Woodford, Broadway, it's really done out very, very nice. It's very clean, it's very hygienic.
It's really nice seeing the patients come through the door almost being a bit timid or a bit intimidated, and then you see them a few months down the line once they've got into their treatment plan and they come through the door all bubbly and happy and positive, and it's just really nice to see that transcend down to the patient.
It's wonderful that I've actually found that trust in Time Clinic. Just puts you in a happier place, and that's what Time Clinic's done for me.
So the best thing about Time Clinic is our patients. So I've worked here for a few years now, and meeting our patients for the first time during patient consultation and finding out what it is that they want to achieve, and then taking them through that journey is such a valuable experience.
We've really created Time Clinic around listening and taking time for patients and patient safety. And now we feel with this new clinic and this new environment, we can really take that experience and make it even more special, where we could take care of them from the minute they enter our doors right till when they leave. And a long-term relationship is always what we aspire to have.